all about a square. So first one is definition. A square is a four-sided polygon that is quadrilateral with all sides equal in length, all angles of measure 90 degree, and opposite sides are parallel, and also opposite sides are equal also. So square has four sides. It is a polygon that is quadrilateral, means having four sides. Here all sides are in equal length, means same size. Suppose 5 centimeter one side, so all sides will be 5 centimeter. All angles are of measure 90 degree. Each angle is right angle, and opposite sides are also parallel in this. So second one is properties. So what are the properties of square which make it different from other shapes? Every square is a parallelogram, rectangle and rhombus. So every square is a type of parallelogram, every square is a type of rectangle, and every square is the type of rhombus also. Then diagonals are equal in length. It's diagonal also of equal length. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So here their diagonals also bisect at 90 degree. The diagonal divides square into two congruent isosceles right angled triangle. So it's suppose we draw one diagonal, then two isosceles right angled triangle will be formed. So first we will see how to draw a square. So we have to take a ruler and a protractor. So with the help of ruler I will draw any line. So I have drawn any line. From that point I take any point and name it as A. Okay, point A. Suppose I want to make a square with side 7 centimeter. So here I put at 0, then I will mark at 7 centimeter. So this distance will be of 7 centimeter. Suppose I will give name B. So AB is the line segment with side or with length 7 centimeter. Then I will take protractor, putting on B and adjusting the origin and baseline. I will mark right angled from point B, so that is 90 degree. So this is that point. Okay, another from A. So I am adjusting the protractor, so it is adjusted now, and now I will mark at 90 degree mark. Okay, then with the help of again scale I will join them. So see, this is the box. Now with the help of compass I will take 7 centimeter distance from B to A, because it is 7 centimeter, so scale does not needed. So this distance is of 7 centimeter. As we seen the definition of square, all sides must be equal and 90 degree. So these two angles are of 90 degree, and if I put at B and mark above, the 7 centimeter distance will be obtained. Again putting at A, again marking at that point, so I will get another 7 centimeter distance. So this distance is not obtained, so I will extend that side. Okay, and as I join them, I will get a square. Okay, it is simple. So A, B, C, D, each side is of equal length, each angle is right angle. Okay, so this is square. If I join the opposite vertices or angles, then I will get one diagonal. So this is diagonal BD. As I draw this diagonal BD, I got triangle DAB and triangle DCB. Both are identical, means congruent. Both are right angled isosceles triangle. Okay. Then if again I draw another two opposite vertices, then I will get another diagonal. So there are two diagonals, diagonal AC and diagonal BD. Okay, and by property of square, these both diagonal bisect each other at a right angle. So this is 90 degree. And what is mean by bisect? They make equal parts. There are equal parts of diagonals. Suppose I give that name O. So OD equal to OB equal to OA equal to OC. These all four segments are of equal length. Okay, so this, by this method you can draw a square and you can draw diagonals also. So square is a very simple form. Then there are some formulas regarding to the properties of square. First is perimeter. Perimeter is equals to 4 into side. So what is mean by perimeter? Perimeter is the complete round from starting point to another again starting point, means AB, BC, CD and DA. Suppose we have drawn this side 7, so all sides are 7. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, this is perimeter, one complete round. So that's why 7 multiplied by 4, because there are 4 sides. So 7 4s are 28. So perimeter of this square is 28 centimeter. Then second formula, area, denotion is A. Area is equals to side into side or side square. So suppose I want to find area. What is means by area? This, how much space does this square occupies. Okay, so this occupies this much space. So what is the area of that space? So side into side. So 7 into 7, 7 7s are 49, or what is the square of 7? 49. Okay, so area is 7 multiplied by 7 is equals to 49 centimeter square. Its unit is centimeter square. Okay, then diagonal. Diagonal is side multiplied by root 2. It is obtained by Pythagoras theorem, because suppose we have to find this length of that diagonal. So by applying Pythagoras theorem in right angled triangle, so 7 square plus 7 square is equals to BD square. Hypotenuse square is equals to plus of or summation of two sides square. So there is simple formula for diagonal. Diagonal is equals to side multiplied by root 2. Suppose there is side of 7 centimeter. So then what is diagonal BD? The length of diagonal BD will be 7 root 2 centimeter. Okay, so no need for calculation if there is objective type question. Second, side, it is denoted by letter A. Side is equals to diagonal by root 2, opposite. Suppose we have given diagonal 7 root 2 and we asked about its side length. So side is equals to diagonal by root 2. So 7 root 2 by root 2, root 2 get cancelled. So 7. So we can find out diagonal with the help of side and side with the help of diagonal in square. Then fifth one is in radius. In radius is equals to side half of the side. So what is mean by in radius? First we have to find out in circle. The circle touching all sides of the diagram. In this case there is square. The circle touching all sides of the square is called as in circle. If there is a side of 7 centimeter, then we have to find radius, that is side by 2, means half of the side, that is 3.5. So this point is at 3.5 by default, because square is a perfect example of basic and easy and perfect shape. Okay, so if I take the radius 3.5 centimeter, so this is 3.5, so this distance is 3.5 centimeter, and as we put at O, then if we draw a circle, so it will touch internally. Okay, so this is in a circle which is passing through all sides. So, and this distance, that is, suppose we give it a name as OM. So OM is the in radius. Okay, then last is the circumradius. Circumradius means the circle passing through all vertices is called as circumcircle, and that radius is called as circumradius. In this case, OC or OD or OA or OB, any one of that four segments is circumradius. So its formula is half of the diagonal. So as we take distance OD, so it will become circumradius, and if I draw a circle from it, then we get circumcircle. So this is a circumcircle and OC is the radius. This is in a circle and OM is the radius. Okay, so this is the experimental explanation of how to draw a square. Then we have seen formulas also, and last topic is of example. You have seen chessboard tiles, Rubik's cube faces, sticky notes. So these are all example of square. The perfect box, we have suppose you have seen a perfect box having all angles 90 degree and all sides are equal, then it will be square. So this is all about square. Hope you have enjoyed and you get some information about it. So bye.